Center for Ministry Development offers unique ways for you to discover your mission. Young Neighbors in Action is a Catholic service learning experience committed to exploring our church's mission in the world, while at the same time connecting people to meaningful service opportunities. With sites to choose from all across America, Young Neighbors in Action gives the youth in your community an experience of a lifetime to serve, to grow in their Catholic faith, and to learn how to live out the mission of the church in the world. Your teens will explore Catholic social teaching while serving our brothers and sisters in need.
Come on, get up, let's get going. Can't you feel your faith is growing? But don't just keep it locked inside you. Who knows what God can do through you?
During the Young Neighbors in Action Environmental Justice Weeks, your teens will learn about pressing environmental issues from a Catholic faith perspective while doing work that helps protect the earth. During the Young Neighbors in Action Global Solidarity Weeks, Young Neighbors in Action works in partnership with Catholic Relief Services to focus on issues that people face around the world: hunger, poverty, and homelessness. The work, reflection, and prayer will offer a challenge to your youth. Young Neighbors in Action gives you what you need to have a meaningful summer service learning experience. Skilled program staff lead the week, including a program director, site coordinator, and a prayer and music coordinator. Daily programming designed to inspire deeper faith, build community, connect to scripture and Catholic social teaching, engage in dialogue about important issues, and have a lot of fun. Dynamic prayer and liturgies help youth make connections with faith, scripture, and everyday life. Our easy-to-use materials and resources guide you in preparing your parish or school team. Join us next summer to love, to serve, and to be transformed.
Gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it together. Share the gospel of Jesus. Gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it